My goal is to introduce some of the yoga fundamental to everyone. What you can learn from yoga. Yeah, you are so cute. Hi, Oz. How are you? Yes. What's up? You guys want to be part of the video too? Yeah? I know. In today's video, I would like to show you some of my favorite morning flow that I can do within 10 to 15 minutes of my time at home. I don't have to go to studio or anything, but I just want to get my body moving because if it's sitting all day stiffing or getting in bed, I just feel groggy. Practicing yoga at home is some of the best thing I can do, like to get my morning started correctly, and I can get my body blood circulation moving from top to bottom, and it's refreshing. Couple thing is we will need like some yoga mat. Also, if you have some block or strap, it's also very easy. But in today's I don't really need those equipment because it's kind of simple, easy. I didn't go into too complex of the movement like warrior 3 or handstand, or sometimes when I'm not in the gym weightlifting, I will practice some of the simple yoga flow at home. So today I'm going to show you some of the yoga simple flow sequence. Hi Oscar. I know. Yeah, you want to be part of the video too. I know. Yeah, you are so cute. I know. Hi Oz. How are you? Yes. What's up? You guys want to be part of the video too? Yeah? I know. You guys be awesome. So I guess that will be just been here, and I'll just keep talking. So this some yoga been help. So for my yoga history. You're so distracted. You are so distracted. For my yoga history, I started yoga way in college. I took one of the yoga class and I learned some of the anatomy, the poses, and what each poses is doing. Open my mind. That's kind of opened my world to all this weightlifting stuff. So, well, it's not weightlifting, it's yoga. I do yoga is to balance with my weightlifting and also stress management. Oscar, stop it! Okay. I would like to share with you some of my practices and teach you on live in the content here. So, give me a second. In today's video, I just want to share